Jean with a lot of effort there. Great hustle. Sanjay, a little up and under and scoop. The D Division finals between DFCC and Sri Lankan Airlines. My name is Anushka, and joining me here in the comm box as we see the top tip-off, Prageet drawing.
Let's see what will go down. Roshan with the three-point attempt, and he makes the first basket of the match.
Is nursing a hamstring injury, playing this match for his team as Ryan answers right back with a three-pointer. Roshan misses, but Prageet follows up, kicks it off to Jean, back to Aaron, back to Ryan, surveys, jumps, shoots, and good. That's
There's another loose ball. Jude goes up, scores.
deflected, stolen by Charlene. Ryan comes up with an easy lane. As we see Prageet make the first shot.
Differentiator in this, but for clearly for Sri Lankan Airlines, they are the fastest team, and as you can see, second opportunity as well, missing 2 out of 2. Ryan drives in and he scores the contested layup.
Roshan Fernando, well guarded by Buddhi, and he gets it to go. Buddhi goes in for the easy layup, and that's 14 points to 10. Jean to Ryan. Ryan sets up, shoots, couldn't get it to go. Amazing shot by Jean, amazing finish. Charlene to Maxwell, back to Prageet. Looks, drives right, gets called for the foul.
As you can see, Sri Lankan Airlines dribbling it down the court. Scouts from the right, and it's a beautiful finish from the left.
Roshan driving left, well defended by Buddhi. Jumps up, shoots, couldn't get it to go. As the ball misses everything, and the whistle blows for the end of the first quarter.
Driving inside and drawing the foul. Anushka, what do you think about DFCC strategy for the
second quarter of the D Division men's finals? Sri Lankan Airlines versus DFCC, with Sri Lankan Airlines leading 18 points to 10. As you see, Ryan
build a big lead in the first half. Jude drives in with so much power, and he is able to score.
The size matters in this occasion. Good pass by Aaron to Jean. Let's see how Prageet goes. Guarded, drives in, draws that contact, and makes it. I do think he needs to get inside a bit more. Make some of those shots in, as we see. A good assist by Prageet.
Charlene shoots, and he's able to. What do you think about DFCC's defensive strategy and what they should do? As you can see, another three-pointer by Sri Lankan Airlines. And this is the fast break I've been talking about, Anushka, the easy fast break that Sri Lankan Airlines. Sanjay Vanasekara, number 32, Jackson. And
beautiful pass by Roshan. Aaron, Savita, beg your pardon. Sanjay, clean shot, clean bucket there.
On the offensive end, he scored a basket. This shows Sri Lankan Airlines mentality. As you can see, Roshan Fernando with a...
Back in his HMB days, averaging usually about 30 points a game. As Sanjay goes for another bucket.
Prageet drives in from the left, finishes from the right, and that's +2.
I think we can call it for this quarter. Maybe not, almost there. 32 points to 23 as we end the half, with Sri Lankan Airlines taking a comfortable lead at the end of 20 minutes. So 32 points to 23, Sri Lankan Airlines lead. A 9-point lead, I'm sorry, is not a hard thing to chase down, Leon. What do you think?
Anushka, as you can see, the crowd is also rallying around the two teams. finds the cutting Maxwell, and Maxwell makes it. How different it is from the standard game of basketball.
So interesting question, Leon. So one of the habilitation done, whereas Sri Lanka, as Sanjay scores another one.
The scale is the main factor when it comes to the NBA and what's actually played here. Another interesting question for you. If there was one player to make it to the NBA from Sri Lanka, don't do him like that, Anushka. But you saw he scored the highest for...
And he was
Correct.
like, okay, no one's going to beat me. And right next there, I think Rukshan answered with a 50-point game. Well, they're playing at the 100%. Sanjay Vanasekara, one of the old boys for the team. Shalin fakes. Fadeaway jumper. Couldn't get it to go. Jean. Another rebound. Tips it in and it goes in.
I feel like DFCC will opt for the 3 ball, but Jude backs it down. Jude fades away, and that's a beautiful fadeaway by...
Not a lot of pressure on him. Ryan. Corner 3. Couldn't get to go. Roshan Fernando comes up with the rebound. Throws it up court. Pragit Pushpakumara drives into the body of Ryan Jayaratna. Free throw attempt to make it 3 points and 3-point play. Ryan uncharacteristic miss.
Sri Lanka missing 2 on 2. Jude fades away, and it's another.
Brings the ball up. Sanjay to Buddhi. 3-point attempt. No, fakes it. Kicks it down to the court. Sanjay with the 3, and that's good. A lot of players, some of the first things that they are not able to match up with is sometimes emotions do get better of you during the court. But off court, it's all love.
And he comes up short. And Anushka, I don't know whether you have noticed, but DFCC has been running the fast break.
Just under 10 seconds to go. Aaron with the ball, coming down, 5 seconds. Sanjay shoots, comes up short. Buddhi against Jude Pereira. Goes up and draws the foul at the whistle.
You should make your free throws. And he comes up short in both. And let's see with the 4th quarter of play.
3 quarters are down, just 10 more minutes to go for the end of this finals, the D Division finals in the Mercantile Basketball League. And you are tuned in to the D Division men's finals in the Mercantile League between DFCC and Sri Lankan Airlines. 50 points to 36. Sri Lankan Airlines trying to run away with the championship here.
Let's see whether Roshan and the gang can cut it down. He drives swiftly, collects it back, and it's an and one.
Shoots and gets it to go in. Smart bit of play by Pragit. Uncharacteristic miss from Roshan Fernando. A chance to cut it down. Stolen by Pragit. This time taking it in by himself to score.
Right now, Pragit drives in, passes it to number 27, and he scores.
The rival supporters, everyone cheering on, and the whole experience itself was something that is truly unremarkable.
I mean, if LeBron can play this much years, I know you can as well.
Great rebound, put back by Sri Lankan Airlines. Maxwell drives in, shoots again, and gets it to go. Maxwell. Sanjay who's the shooter, so it's forcing them to... Elbows flying here and there. Cross-court pass Sanjay, and that's how we do it. Maxwell to Pragit. Drives in. Gets a little floater to go. But patented shot by Pragit Pushpakumara. Walking down the court, giving a half attempt. Pragit for the 3-pointer. It's good! Jean with a lot of effort there. Great hustle. Sanjay, a little up and under and scoop. It's time for calmness now. Another offensive rebound. Shalin Kasichetti, 60 points to 52. So this is going to be the final rights for the play. 3 seconds. Sangeet shoots it. Couldn't get it to go, but Sri Lankan Airlines crowned D Division Men's Champions in the Mercantile Services Basketball League 2025. You can see the players congratulating each other. A great game of basketball between these two teams. DFCC tried their hardest for 4 quarters, trailing by as much as 20 points, but just couldn't take it to the bank. But Sri Lankan Airlines, they were the better team on the court today. Came up trumps on the offensive end and as well as the defensive end. A great set of basketball games here, Leon. 60 points, 52 games.